Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Hello students, good morning. Welcome to class 5th Maths chapter number 2 Operations on Large Numbers session 8. In previous lecture we have done the sums of exercise 2.2. Now we will continue exercise 2.2. Now question number 4 in exercise 2.2. Add the difference of 93,45,676 and 84,23,705 to 1,46,93,500. इसमें अभी हमें क्या करना है? ऐड डिफरेंस, मतलब एडिशन भी करना है और सब्ट्रैक्शन भी करना है। बट पहले क्या करना है? हमें सब्ट्रैक्शन करना है। किसका किसका? 93,45,676 एंड 84,23,705 का। फिर जो उसका आंसर आएगा उसमें हम लोग को एडिशन करना है 1,46,93,500. So let's see. First we have to write 93,45,676. 93,45,676 और उसमें हम लोग को अभी क्या करना है? सब्ट्रैक्शन करना है। दिस वन दैट इज 54,23,705. So as we know, we have to start from rightmost when we do subtraction. So at rightmost we have 6 subtract 5, so we get 1. Next we have 7 subtract 0, so we get 7. Next we have 6 subtract 7, so that we know 7 is greater than 6, so we have to borrow from another column. This become 4 and this become 16. Next 16 subtract 7 is 9. Next we have 4 subtract 3, we get 1. Next we have 4 subtract 2, so we will get 2. Next we have 3 subtract 4, so again 4 is greater than 3, so we borrow from next column. This become 8 and this become 13. So again 13 subtract 4 is 9 and 8 subtract 8 is 0. So our number, that is difference of these two numbers, are 9,21,971. Now we have to add this number and this number. So we write this number, that is 1,46,93,500, and add this number. So we put addition sign and write this number, that is 9,21,971. So we have to add these both numbers, and in addition also we have to start from rightmost. So in rightmost we have 0 and 1, so we will write 1. Next we have 0 and 7, so we write 7. Next we have 5 and 9, so we will write 14. But 4 comes at answer place and 1 goes to another column as carry. Next we have 131, so 131 is 5. Next we have 9 and 2, so it is 11. We write 1 here and 1 goes to another column as carry. So next is 169, so 169 is 16, so we write 6 and 1 carry. Next we have 1 and 4, so we will write 5. Next we have 1, so we will write 1. So our addition of these two numbers are 1 crore 56 lakh 15,471. So we write here, so addition is 1 crore 56 lakh 15,471. Okay. Now question number 6. A bulb company produced 14,80,980 bulbs in a year. Out of these, 11,12,470 bulbs were sold and 8,650 bulbs were found defective. How many bulbs are still unsold by the company? इसमें बताया गया हमें कि एक बल्ब कंपनी है, ये कंपनी है जो बल्ब बनाती है। 14,80,980 बल्ब्स उन्होंने एक साल में बनाए हैं। तो आउट ऑफ दीज 11,12,470 बल्ब्स वर सोल्ड, उसमें से इतने बल्ब सोल्ड मतलब सेल कर दी, एंड 8,650 बल्ब्स वर फाउंड डिफेक्टिव, और जो बचे हुए थे उनमें से 8,650 डिफेक्टिव यानी खराब निकले। हाउ मेनी बल्ब्स आर स्टिल अनसोल्ड बाय द कंपनी? अब उनके पास कितने बल्ब्स बचे हैं जो उन्होंने बेचे अभी तक नहीं है, तो वो हमें बताना है। तो फर्स्ट इन दिस वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट दिस फ्रॉम दिस। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। वी हैव 14,80,980 subtract 11,12,470. So in this we have to start from rightmost. In rightmost we have 0, subtract 0, so we write 0. Next we have 8, subtract 7, we write 1. Next we have 9, subtract 4, so we write 5. Next we have 0, subtract 2, so 2 is greater than 0, so we borrow from another column. This becomes 7, this becomes 10. Now 10 subtract 2 is 8. Next we have 7 subtract 1, that is 6. Next we have 4 subtract 1, that is 3. Next we have 1 subtract 1, so we will write 0. So after selling 11,12,470 bulbs, we have remaining 3,68,510 bulbs. After that we found 8,650 bulbs defective. So we have to subtract this also from this. So we write first this 3,68,510 subtract how much? 8,650. So again we start from rightmost. At rightmost we have 0, subtract 0, so we will write 0. Next we have 1, subtract 5, so we borrow from another, it becomes 4, it becomes 11. Next 11 minus 5, that is 6. Next we have 4, subtract 6, again we have to borrow, this becomes 7, this becomes 14. Now 14 subtract 6 is 8. Next we have 7 subtract 8, again we have to borrow, this becomes 5, this becomes 17. Now 17 subtract 8 is 9. Next we have 5, similar. Next we have 3 as it is. So in last we have 3,59,860 bulbs. So we can write that, so company, क्या हम लोग फाइंड करना था? हाउ मेनी बल्ब्स आर स्टिल अनसोल्ड बाय द कंपनी. सो कंपनी अनसोल्ड बल्ब्स आर हाउ मच? 3,59,860. Okay. Now, question number 8. 3,95,400 students appeared for 12th CBSE board exam. हमें क्या बताया गया है कि 3,95,400 स्टूडेंट्स इस एग्जाम में प्रेजेंट थे. अपीयर मतलब प्रेजेंट थे बोर्ड एग्जाम में. इफ 2,15,300 वर बॉयज, उसमें से यानी कि इसमें से 2,15,300 क्या थे? बॉयज थे. तो हाउ मेनी गर्ल्स अपीयर्ड इन द एग्जाम? तो और बाकी जो बचे वो गर्ल्स कितने थे? हमें पता है कि ये टोटल स्टूडेंट्स है हम लोग के, उसमें से बॉयज ये है. तो हम लोग अगर इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे इसमें से तो हमें गर्ल्स पता चल जाएंगी कितनी प्रेजेंट थी. लेट्स स्टार्ट. वी हैव 3,95,400 and we have to subtract it 2,15,300. That is total students. This is boys. Now subtract from always right side. It is 0 subtract 0, so we will get 0. Next we have 0 subtract 0, 0. Next we have 4 subtract 3, so we get 1. Next we have 5 subtract 5, so we will get 0. Next we have 9 subtract 1, so we will get 8. Next we have 3 subtract 2, so we will get 1. So we have a difference of this and this number is 1,80,100. So these are girls. So girls are 1,80,100. Okay. Thank you.